of the great Iron Man matches throughout history in WWE, from the first one between Bret Hart and Shawn Michaels to Triple H and The Rock, all the way up to Sasha Banks and Bayley.
These classic matches are deeply personal and serve as a bare-bones test to decide which superstar is the best.
The first fall in a match like this is essential. You want to get that right away while not expending too much energy off the bat, because you have to survive the full time limit.
Well, some competitors work on high-intensity interval training and sustained cardiovascular power so they can execute offense no matter what point the match is in.
Able to elude it.
I think we're gonna...
A penny predicament, but it really doesn't matter.
And responds with a counter of their own. Answer after.
Oh, kick to the face. Good night, nurse.
Oh, catches a kick to the face.
The W is well in hand.
Good timing with that reversal.
Dodges out of the way.
Made her pay.
Oh, boot in the face.
So much brutality with that move tonight. Attacking the body.
And able to counter. Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Watch her set up in the corner. Uh-oh.
Look out, up top.
Wow. Incredible.
Like watching a highlight reel.
Ouch.
Unreal athleticism.
She's taking some big hits here. Reversal! Can she capitalize?
Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own.
I think we're gonna...
And a pin will do no good here.
Big forearm.
You can see it in these superstars' faces. They're in serious pain at the moment. And she stops the count. She just might have more malicious intentions in mind.
From the top.
Oh, no! Crashing hard onto the floor.
My goodness, that did not go as planned.
Might have been a bad plan to begin with. To the face. What a redirect. Don't.
Oh, man. Unloading their best shot once more.
Whipped into the barricade.
Goes right through it.
What a match.
What a match. Wicked kick to the face. How much more can they endure?
Across the shoulders, up and boom, jack.
Oof.
The close of this match is just ahead.
This is getting hard to watch, guys. We might need to stop this one.
Stops the kick.
Every maneuver being returned with counter fire.
Turned that one around.
See ya. Definitely wouldn't want to.
Kick to the face.
I don't care who you are. You can't survive any more of those.
No, knee right to the face.
Nasty kick to the face.
That has got to be the one.
Able to sidestep it.
And she still fails to extend any resistance here.
Yeah, she's having issues fighting back. Oh, connects on the kick. She's staying elusive.
Oh, what a right hook.
She's got an answer for that. That offense really hitting her hard.
Yeah, this has been a grueling Iron Man match, and you cannot deny that they are feeling it. Looks like they're looking for a neck. Oh, forearm to the neck.
The volume in this building has increased exponentially. The fans are willing these competitors to push forward.
Win or lose, these superstars are going to be held in high esteem.
Kick on the mark. It's all over but the crying. We got to call it the Celtic War Sword.
Oh my God, what a kick. This one is all but over. and time itself gets the Iron Man back to an end.
Here is your winner, the Warrior Princess.
And guys, that was a spectacular Iron Man match. It truly took an iron will to win. I have a lot of respect for the performance she just gave in this match.
She earned this win, no question.